I'm a lifelong farmer. This issue really does hit home for me. I know of way too many stories of fellow farmers about traffic-related incidents. Most of the time, these incidents have been avoided, could have been avoided, with a little more attention. Heavy rain and erratic weather has made this a really tough growing season for our farmers who continue to work hard to provide the food and fiber for people throughout our whole region. We all have to make sure we stay alert, share the road, so everybody can make it home safely.